In today's video, I will show you how you can buy US stocks using the Bamboo all the way from Nigeria or any part of Africa. So seamless. All right, buying and selling stocks on the US stock market from Nigeria is now very easy to do. All you require right now is your smartphone, your internet, and the right amount of money to start, which isn't even plenty. Okay, so it wasn't always this easy in the past. People have to go through a lot of difficult process being a non-US resident, but right now startups like Bamboo have made this entire process such an easy thing to do. You can make money passively, actively, so many ways to make money from the US stock market. Remember, I say it always, the US stock market is the biggest cash machine of all times. You just haven't seen it in that light. So today, let me walk you through. So the first thing you're going to do is to go down to your Play Store and type Bamboo. This is exactly how it looks like. Can you see that? So because I already have the Bamboo app, all it's going to tell me is to open. But for you who is a first timer, you can download it, install it, and it's going to ask you a couple of questions. Things like your registration, which requires you to put your first name, your surname, your gender, your date of birth, your country, your phone number, email address, and you set your unique password. It's so easy. It's so easy. So when you do that, your account, you also need to put in your BVN and put in a form of identification, either your international passport, national ID card, or NIN. Any of them can serve you. And once you do that, you are good to go. But to make it easier for you, you can click on the link below in this video. My referral link is there. If you click on it, it takes you straight and you put in your password and you set it up and you are good to go. There are a couple of beautiful opportunities that awaits you and bonuses when you use my link. So let's get into the app and see how we can fund it and then how we can buy our first stock. So this is how my page looks like in the Bamboo app. All right, when you open it, you see your name on top, you see the search button icon. Okay, come on, see it here. That's the search button icon. Then there's a notification bell, so for any information like when you make payments, when you buy a stock, you sell a stock, all information you can get it from there. Now you can also see this particular icon that shows the sign of an eye. So the thing is, if you don't want to see the value of your the amount of dollars you have in your stock wallet, you can close it up by tapping that button and it shuts everything. Can you see that? If you touch it again, it brings it up. Fantastic. Now I have this is for example purposes. All right, so I have a couple of stocks. I have Coca-Cola stocks here. I have the energy transfer stock here. All right, now I have a kind of watch list, stocks that I'm watching. When I see an opportunity, I would definitely grab it and buy. There are so many ways you can do this, but the first thing you are going to do is you are going to fund your wallet. So I already have some money in mind, but I want to show you how you can start. Assuming this is the first time you just finished setting everything up, they verified your account, and you want to buy your very first stock. The good thing about Bamboo is that the interface is so seamless. Everything is easy to understand. Even as a novice, you can maneuver and run through everything. So all I want you to do is come down to this place. You can see this sign of account down the far right. You click on it. Now we have the US account wallet, you have the Nigerian wallet. So the first thing you're going to do is to click on deposits. So when you click on deposits, to ask you what wallet would you like to deposit to. So I'm depositing in my US wallet because I want to buy in the US stock market. Okay, so they're going to ask you for any amount of money. That's what you're going to do. Now check this out. You can see the current rate. So every day you have to make sure you see the current rate. It actually fluctuates on daily basis. You may see 751 today. You check maybe in the next 1 week, it is 755. You check in another 3 days, it is 749. So it keeps fluctuating. So first of all, if you come here and you type in maybe 20,000 naira. So so you're going to type in maybe $20. You want to start with $20. Now the $20 is converted into naira automatically. You can see it here. It is showing you 15,020 naira. assuming you want it to calculate it, you want to put the figures in naira, you can type the NGN and just type in the amount you want. So assuming you type in here 20,000 naira, you can see it's automatically calculating it as $26.63. The same minimum deposit amount is 751 naira, and this is what I want you to understand. So the minimum amount I can deposit, so I don't have enough money, but I have up to 1,000 naira and I want to put it into my US wallet. You see, you don't have to have 1,000,000 naira before you put in money. Just having 751 naira is enough for you to put money into this wallet. Okay, fantastic. So we move to deposit. So I will be picking my payment type. So we have the Nigerian card debit, where you put in your ATM card details, or you have a US card, you have a dollar card, or you can fund your brokerage account by making a direct transfer, and this is what I will choose. So I will get this account number and I can make a transfer into this particular account. That's if I have a US account and I want to make account into the brokerage itself. Else, you're going to choose your own, maybe Nigerian card. Fantastic. So you come in here, you can key in your card details. Not to worry, it is very, very safe. You have no worries that something is going to go wrong. This is for security purposes. You key in your card number, your expiration date, your CVV number, and then you can tap this icon on, so that the next time you want to make payments, it's just going to automatically pick that amount from your card without you filling the entire details all over again. So here you put in your phone number and your email address, and when you're done, you click on pay 20,280 naira. The 280 naira is the fee, the processing fee that Bamboo is charging because of the bank transactions. Okay, if you still don't feel comfortable, you can click on change payment method. So you can go through this and pick pay with bank, which is what I usually prefer. So I can click on pay with bank, and then I wait up for it to finish loading, and once it's done loading, it will give me the details. So I can go into my bank app and make a transfer into that account, and I will get the information right back. It's super easy, it doesn't take time. The only thing you're going to be worried about is probably the network. Okay, so you'll be directed to Mono to complete this payment. I'm going to click on proceed, and it will take me to the next page. Fantastic. So this is where you're going to pick the bank you use. So you can see the list of banks. I use GT Bank, so I can click on GT Bank, and now I can log in into my GT Bank automatically. I can log into my bank and make the transaction immediately and still get into my Bamboo app. The link between the bank and this app is fantastic. I truly love it. So I'm going to press close because I am not paying for today, and cancel this payment. How do we buy our stocks? Super easy. I told us there is a search icon up here. You can see it here. So there are two ways to do that. You can either use the search button up here, this one, or you can click on buy a stock. So there are actually two of them, so you cannot even miss it. So assuming I'm picking buy a stock, it will take me automatically to the search button. The good thing it does is that I already have a list of featured stocks which people are actually buying, and those on my watch list. Now you can look at popular people who already have portfolios in Bamboo, like Fowls, Temi Otedola. You can look at bank ETFs, best performing ETFs and everything, real estate, REIT, fixed income, biggest companies in the world. Now, let me advise you. I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure you do your due diligence. Make sure you understand the stocks you're buying. Make sure you have a community, or you have a mentor or a coach before you venture into buying stocks. Don't just buy because everybody's buying. Make sure you're in a community where you're guided, you know your risk tolerance, you know your investment portfolio plan before you do this. So I assume before you get to this point, you already know what you're going to buy. So for today, I want to buy a stock called Snapchat. The same Snapchat all of us use, and we use it to take pictures and do videos. we have the stock and it's doing well, and the stock is cheap, like the price is beautiful. It's about $10, but I think the price got it's lower. Okay, so this is Snapchat. Fantastic. So this is it. Currently, as I'm doing this video, the market has not opened. The market opens by 2:30 p.m. All right, so now you can see one share is $10.50, but I want to buy it lower than this price. So I can set a price and say I want to buy this stock at this price, or so price, or I can pick it at this price. But be mindful to note that you cannot buy stock when the market is closed. You're only going to buy it when market is open. So this is what you're going to do. You come to price alert. You can click on price alert, and then you can look at a lot of information. You can tell them to let you know when the stock hits a particular price. You can set a percentage threshold when it goes up or when it comes down, or when it gets to its highest of the year or the lowest of the year. So that's why I love this stock. So if I want to buy now, it's going to tell me to buy. You can see the buy button down here. You would see buy now. Buy now means buying at this current price I'm seeing. Remember, the market is closed. You can also buy when the price decreases. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to place an order on this stock when the market is open, and I'm targeting to buy it at $8.50. So I'm going to set it when the price decreases. So I can set it here. I want to get this stock at $8.50. Can you see that? I want to buy this at $8.50. Then I can go to next, and I want to pick 5 shares. I want to buy 5 shares. These 5 shares will cost me $42.52. So I want to show you something. Can you see here? This is the price I want to buy it. I want to get it at 5 shares. This is the total cost of the 5 shares. And now this is how much I have that is free for me to use to buy shares. So I have $82, and I want to buy $42.50 worth of shares. So can you see the money in your Bamboo is immediately available for trading stock? So it's available for me. I can place this order right now and click on preview buy. So when the market opens, it can actually pick this stock for me. Can you see this information? It's asking me that I'm buying this just to be sure, and I'll click buy, and it will say market is closed. You're about to place an order when the market is closed. So it will be executed once market opens, which will be in 2 hours and 47 minutes 21 seconds. Can you see this? This is fantastic. So you can cancel it 5 minutes before the market opens if I'm not sure, or I can go ahead. So I will say yes, I want to place the order. So I'm going to go ahead and place this order, and I will get it when the market. Can you see that? Congratulations, you have just bought your first stock. This is beautiful. This is what see how easy and seamless it is. So you have no excuse. But by the way, if you're looking for a good community where you want to learn everything about stock market and how you can leverage and build massive wealth actively and passively, I can show you the right way. You can click on the link below, send us an email, and join our group. Thank you very much.